No.
Yes, just
No.
one.
No. And the screen's black. Wow. Alright, there we go. Alright. Welcome back. Leslie! I regret this decision already.
You should never record with your cousin.
I should never record with you.
That's why.
Alright. So welcome back to Nobody. Today we're going to be playing a game that I got called White Noise. This game is supposed to be one of the horror games. Let's just say I'm going to play this with my other friends. And I'm also with my little baby cousin. Say hi, Evelina.
Bitch, you don't play with me?
Cállate.
Oh, shit.
Investigator. Oh wait, that shit, wrong button. How do we start this?
Tutorial video. That's a tutorial video.
Oh.
Put B. B.
Oh, there we go.
Play, dumbass.
You know, quick play, solo play. I'm gonna be doing that later.
Head to the fuck now.
We're gonna be an investigator.
I like
All right,
investigation.
we'll be back whenever we get in the game. All right, we finally got a game. That took just 10 minutes just to get in the game. This game is so old. But let's see if it's gonna be scary. Oh, this is gonna suck. I'm probably gonna fling my camera or something. I need to make like a click sound. I'm gonna fling like something. Oh, there we go. There goes the screen again. I'm gonna fling something. I swear to God, if I break my controller playing this. I'm leaving my lights on because I don't feel comfortable doing this. The Kobelka Ruins. I don't even know how to pronounce that. When waiting for players, nuke life. I forgot what the objective of the game is. Find the clues, avoid the creature. Oh my God! Oh my God, what is this game? What is this game? Oh, that was the scariest shit I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God. Light stick. Oh, that's my flashlight.
Hey!
You're getting away. This game's scary. Oh my God. What am I doing? Oh no 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 no. I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this. Oh my God. I'm gonna play this with friends. I'm not playing this alone. My cousin left me as well, which is making me sad. Oh. Press the switch to order a class to break a law. Oh, this is... like this, I don't like this, I don't like this. I'm gonna fucking shit myself.
Follow me. Follow me.
What was that one? Oh, I don't like this. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Oh, it's a friend. Hello. You seem pretty dead to me. No. Glow stick. No, come on. You're getting away from the other investigators. I don't...
I'm right here.
What is this game? Oh. Oh, what is... Oh, this... What did that do? What did that do? I'm scared. Glow stick. Over here, over here, over here.
Over here.
This is pretty... really gonna be a short episode. Oh no! Oh my god! Now what am I doing? Oh, so what am I now? I'm gonna binge this. Oh, this game is not for me. I'm playing with friends. Like, this game is just not for me. Oh my. I hear scary noises. There's a clue somewhere around here. Huh. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna leave it off here because... Oh my, I'm playing with friends. Like, this game is just ridiculous. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this, because I did not at all. Oh, I scared the shit out of me. Alright, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.